Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show connect or pair Bluetooth accessories or connect Bluetooth speakers on Samsung A56. Before starting this video, please press the bell icon or do subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.